Hi and welcome to the weekly tech review of Bitcoin and Ripple's XRP. We'll be looking at the support, resistance and pivot levels for the week and the MACDs and moving averages. It is Monday, the 10th of August. Jumping straight into Bitcoin against the US dollar, it's a bullish start to the week for Bitcoin. Looking at the daily candlesticks, seeing Bitcoin rally to an early Monday morning high 12,060 before pulling back. Key through the week would be to avoid a fallback through the pivot at 11,506 to support breakout from that first major resistance level at 12,069, which would then bring the second major resistance level at 12,463 and 13,000 levels into play later in the week. Barring an extended rally in the week, expect resistance at 13,000 to cap any upside. A pullback through the pivot would bring the first major support level sitting at 11,112 into play. Barring a crypto meltdown, Bitcoin should avoid sub 11,000 levels. Second major support level sits at 10,449. Looking at the MACD, we're seeing a possible bearish crossover here with a narrowing of the bullish histograms. So key through the early part of the week will be to avoid sub 11,500 levels. Looking at the EMAs, the 50 has widened against the 100 and the 200, however, supportive of this early breakout in the week. So a breakout from that first major resistance level should bring 13,000 levels into play this week. Moving across to Ripple's XRP against the US dollar, it's also a positive start to the week for Ripple's XRP. Going to need to see a move through the pivot at 29,491 to support a run at this first major resistance level. Sits at 31,24. Going to need to see a broad-based crypto rally, however, for Ripple's XRP to break back through to 0.31 levels. So barring an extended rally on the day, expect the first major resistance level at 31.24 to cap any upside. In the event of a breakout, we've got the 23.6% fib sitting at 31.34 and the second major resistance level sitting at 0.33 to cap any upside. Failure to move through the pivot would bring the first major support level sitting at 27.032 into play. Barring an extended sell-off in the week, should see Ripple's XRP avoid sub 26 levels. Second major support level sits at 25.28. Looking at the MACD, we're seeing that possible bearish crossover here with a marked narrowing in the bullish histogram supportive of a possible pullback through the week. The EMAs are suggesting a different story, however. We're seeing the 50 widen against the 100 and the 200 and the 100 crossing over the 200, suggestive bullish week ahead. So key through the early part of the week will be to break through the pivot level and back through to 0.30 levels to target that first major resistance level sitting at 31.24.